So guys, welcome to my mathematics lesson series. Um, I just want to go to numbers and integers. Remember, before I give the importance of numbers to day-to-day life, I also looked at the technological use of numbers. So today and now I want to start teaching the students. Before, what I gave was general, where I invite everybody to maybe look at those videos and see why numbers should be forefront when you learn mathematics. Remember, numbers are the basics of mathematics. Later, maybe I'll have a video on the origin of numbers and so on, because I like going deeper in topics in mathematics. So, welcome. I'm now going to go to numbers and integers, and I will start with the reference books, guys. So, welcome for the mathematics lesson. Let me start the lesson on numbers and integers by giving the reference books. And we have Secondary Mathematics Form 1 by KLB, where you have several authors, including some we were running with at the university. I knew several others. We were in the same lectures in the university. So, this book has no specific author. There are several people who have contributed to it. So, we are actually interested in chapter 2, numbers. All right? Where we have, we have numbers. Okay. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute, guys. A minute. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. So, it's the power in the computer and been disconnected, and therefore the computer was telling me to connect. So, chapter 2 numbers, you have section 1 types of numbers, section 2 whole numbers, section 3 is properties of whole numbers, section 2.4 operations with whole numbers, and section 2.5 is factors and multiples. Chapter 3, section 1 is introduction to integers, representing integers on a number line, addition and subtraction of integers, multiplication and division of integers, order of operations with integers, and then real life application of integers. 3.7 is exercises and practice questions. The international reference book is Mathematics for the International Students MYP2 second edition. Publisher is Hayes Mathematics, and authors are Robert Heath, Sandra Heath, Mike Bruce, Michael Heath, and David Badger. Chapter 1, number, deals with types of numbers. Section 1. I beg your pardon. The camera got off. So, this international book, chapter 1, number, section 1.1 is types of natural numbers. or whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. 1.2 operation with whole numbers. 3 factors and multiples. 4 prime and composite numbers. 5 powers and roots. 6 number patterns. And 7 exercises and practice questions. Chapter 2 of that reference book, you have understanding integers as section 2.1. 2, comparing and honoring integers. 3, addition and subtraction of integers. 4, multiplication and division of integers. 5, order of operation with integers. And 6, real-life application of integers. And 7, exercises and practice questions. I'll be dealing with the real-life applications of integers. I think I dealt with it. There's a video on that. So, the lesson plan, understanding numbers. The subject is mathematics. Topics are numbers, and the grade level is junior secondary, and duration is 4 weeks. 4 weeks, you do 8 lessons, 45 minutes each. So, lesson 1 is the one I'm very interested in. That was just an introduction. Lesson 1 is introduction to numbers, and the objective will be understand the different types of numbers, and these are natural, whole, integers, rational, and irrational. The materials you'll be required to have is whiteboard and markers, number charts, textbooks, and handouts. Activities, warm-up, 5 minutes, quick discussion on the importance of numbers in daily life. Introduction will take 10 minutes. Explain natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers with examples. This is for the teacher, guys. I'm just talking about the teacher. This is a lesson plan. Activity, 20 minutes. Students classify numbers into natural, whole, or integers. Group activity, create a chart showing different types of numbers. Summary is 5 minutes. Review the type of numbers covered, and then you give a homework worksheet on classifying numbers. So guys, I've ended the reference books, and I've given one international and another one the Kenyan book. Now, in that section, in that video also, I included the lesson plan. So I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. So now what I want to do now, guys, is I want to give lesson notes on introduction to numbers. All right? So, welcome, and be part of me.